Google Classroom can be used as a digital classroom platform where teachers can post assignments, announcements, questions, resources, and links that they may want students to have access to. In this video, we will cover a basic overview of Google Classroom, like viewing assignments and different methods for turning assignments in. We will also look at how students can see grades in Google Classroom and other features like the embedded calendar and the embedded Google Drive classroom folder. We will look at upcoming work and guardian notifications so that you can get email notifications about your child's assignments and progress. Once you have signed in to your student's Google Classroom, you will come to the home page. Each student's Google Classroom may look a little different depending on the teacher. Each of the tiles you see here represent a class that your child is enrolled in. Notice the picture of the silhouette. When you click on the picture, it will take you to your student's work. You can filter the work by assignments, returned with grade, or missing. You will notice all of the assignments that have been graded. You also have a folder that directs you to the student's Google Drive. In the Google Drive, there is a folder for each classroom your student is in. If students are not already enrolled in a class, they can click on the plus sign and type in the class code they have received from their teacher. They can also get to all of their Google apps in the top right-hand corner. Students can click on the three lines or the hamburger at the top left-hand corner. You will have classes, then you see your calendar. Students can click on the calendar to see all of the assignments and their due dates. The different colors represent the different classes of work. You can also see the to-do list. Here, students can see what assignments are missing for all classes, or they can change to see just one class. They also have a done section where they can see what's been turned in and what their grades are. You can enter a class by clicking on the tile. Once you are in the class, you will notice that you have three titles at the top of the classroom: Stream, Classwork, and People. On your stream, you will find important information like upcoming assignments. When you click on the View All, it will show you all of your assignments. You can filter it by assigned, return with grade, and missing. When we're looking at the return with grade, notice it has a comment. If I click on the comment, it will show me the comment by the teacher. I can also click on the attachment to see the attachment for the student. When you're looking at the stream, you will notice that there are different types of posts. You have assignments, questions, and announcements. When you click on Classwork, you will notice that it is broken down into topics. When I click on the topic, it will take you to all the assignments under that topic. Now you'll see all of the assignments for week 6. Notice the due dates to the right-hand side. When you click on the assignment, it will give the students instructions and show the attachments for the student. When you click on the word View Assignment, it actually takes you into the assignment where the student can see the attachments that are sent to that specific student. When you click in the attachment where it says Your Work, this is where you can make updates or changes to the Google Slides. Notice that there is no turn-in button on Google Slides, which is very different than Google Docs. The student has to actually click the turn-in button for it to be turned in. There are two ways of commenting. You have a class comment that is public and shows to all students in the class, and a private comment that is just between the student and the teacher. There's also a question assignment where students can answer a question and turn in the question to see other students' responses. Again, you have to click the Turn In button here. When I click on an assignment, that has a Google Doc attached for each student, it is going to look different than the slides. With this document, you can simply turn in the document from Google Docs. Notice the Turn In button. This changes to Resubmit instead of Turn In in the event that you would like to resubmit your assignment. Another way to submit assignments is if your teacher does not give you an actual attachment. You can click the Add or Create, find the attachment that you want to attach, and then hit the Turn In button. They can also click the Meet button if a teacher has created a Meet link for students. Notice this says, "Sorry, we encountered a problem," because the teacher is not already on the Google Meet, so students are not able to access the Google Meet. The Google Calendar is in several places. Again, notice the different color assignments for the different classrooms. And then the Google Classroom Drive folder is also located under the Classwork tab. The Google Meet link is located on the front page of the stream if students need to access the Google Meet link. The Guardian Summary will allow parents to access a summary of their child's assignments for the week. An email will be sent to the parent. Once the parent receives the email, they can click Accept and then decide whether they want to have it a daily or weekly summary. I hope we've answered all your questions about Google Classroom for parents.